Listen, there's only one right way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, and that is to go green. We wanted to get a glimpse into our foodie friends' traditions this week, so Lisa Danielson is chiming in today. If you're gonna go green, this is such a dumb question. If Veggie Lisa is gonna go green, how is she gonna do it? Shock us.
It could be kale, right? I guess I could have used kale.
What did you use?
Spinach.
Spinach.
Yes,
Okay.
I use spinach.
Taking it down to the palatable form.
Yeah, so really this is almost like you made a green smoothie and then made a waffle out of it.
You made waffle batter with spinach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean minus the eggs, right?
Okay, so what do we got going on here?
Okay, so we're gonna add some oats. This is our base. The nice thing about this recipe, everything goes in the blender and then you just blend it up. So I mean, easy peasy, takes 5 seconds.
Okay, oats.
Yeah, so we start with oats,
Banana.
which are a great complex carbohydrate, especially to have in the morning. And here's the trick with spinach, if you're making something sweet, it always goes really well with banana. So you're gonna taste the spinach a lot less if you include a banana. That's like
strategy.
a little secret.
I need such a strategy at my house.
Yes,
Good.
you do.
Good.
Then we're gonna add in 2 eggs. You could always use egg whites. And then we've got some baking powder. That's what's gonna have it rise into that nice fluffy waffle. And then we've got just some vanilla.
Listen, I'm like the kid at your table. I'm suspicious of you.
Yeah,
I'm watching you
I
like,
promise.
what's happening here?
Then we've got cinnamon. And then the thing with waffles that maybe people don't realize is you need to have a really good fat in there for everything to stick together.
Okay.
So that's why when you typically make conventional waffles, you add butter or some sort of oil. We're using coconut oil.
Coconut, okay.
That's one of my favorites. And then we just throw in spinach. I put about a cup on the recipe, but really and truly, just stuff it.
Okay.
Stuff it full.
Well, I hope this won't offend you, but are we really going to taste it anyway when we put syrup on top?
Well, I mean, really, you might.
Okay.
You might, depending on what syrup you use.
I will say, I didn't do a lot of things right in the vegetable department raising kids, and I'm still raising kids, so there's still time. But I did introduce them at a young age to green smoothies.
Oh,
that's
that's
a regular
awesome.
part of our rotation, so the color doesn't scare them.
Yeah, the color's not going to scare them.
Yeah.
It might be a little weird in waffle form.
It looks really fun. It's a very pretty green, I have to say.
Yes, so you blend this up, like I said, so easy. Half of it, so this makes 2 big, nice Belgian waffles.
Okay.
So half of it, half the batter goes in here, and look at what you're left with.
This is wild. Okay, we just need spinach. We don't need food coloring. We just need spinach.
No, you don't want food coloring.
No, that's offensive. Yeah.
And then really you can top it with like coconut shreds or banana slices. I like to melt blackberries or, you know, like that berry mix that you get in the store. And then you could use either like a really nice maple syrup or even a sugar-free syrup.
I mean, we could.
Or you could just use whatever you've got, which is kind of my MO sometimes.
Whatever your hand lands on in the pantry is going on the waffles. For us, it might be buttermilk syrup. Don't judge. A little bit of sugar in there, but it's fine.
Oh, yeah. Buttermilk syrup would be really, really good on this as well. And I promise you will not taste the spinach, not even close.
I'm excited. I mean, much better than food coloring. We all know that. And anytime we can work in the veggies, we're happy for it. Lisa, thank you so much. Veggie Lisa on Instagram for more recipes just like this.